Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Check the remote machine is powered, awake, and has remote desktop enabled in system settings so Windows accepts incoming sessions. Next, note the IP or hostname and an account that is a permitted remote desktop user. Without that, you will fail authentication. Then temporarily allow port 3389 in the firewall or turn off the firewall for a test connection so you can isolate network blocks before deeper troubleshooting. Once done with basics, move into network and authentication checks. Use ping and tracert to confirm reachability. If packets fail, inspect VPN, gateway, and subnet routing because RDP needs end-to-end reachability. Then focus on credentials. Try logging locally or unlocking the account, and confirm multi-factor prompts aren't blocking automated RDP logins. Also verify network-level authentication and certificate settings. Mismatched NLA or expired RDP certificates will refuse connections, so adjust the server or client to a compatible authentication mode. To finish, restart the remote desktop services and, if possible, reboot the remote host to clear stuck listeners or credential caches. That often resolves transient failures. Inspect event viewer logs, terminal services local session manager and security entries reveal authentication failures, port binds, or policy denials. Make sure Windows updates did not change remote settings. If problems persist, try connecting from a different client or network to isolate local client or ISP issues. This single troubleshooting tip separates server-side faults from client-side or path problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.